Hey y'all, today I decided to try out the shower head detangle brush by CONAIR. The shower head itself is great, but the brush wouldn't glide through my hair like I wanted. My hair was not detangled before using this brush, which was a mistake on my part because I should have known that this brush wasn't going to glide through my hair like I have white girl hair. So I did have to pause the video, detangle my hair using my paddle brush, or I would have been in the shower even longer. It normally takes me an hour to shampoo and detangle my hair, but using this brush, it took me 2 hours. So I got frustrated and annoyed because I don't like to be in the shower all day trying to shampoo my hair. The bristles on this brush are very weak, and you can tell that this brush is not made for thick hair. The only good thing I can say about this brush is the water pressure. The water pressure is strong enough to where you can hold it over your hair and rinse the shampoo out your hair really nicely. But see me, I'm not going to be using this brush again because I do not like to be in the shower all day trying to shampoo my hair. So this brush is definitely made for a white girl hair. And if they were to make the brush like a powder brush with strong bristles, the brush will work because I can't even sit and shampoo and detangle my hair in small sections. Even when I tried to do my hair in small sections with this brush, it still took a long time. So this brush is a no for me. So therefore, if you want to try it out, go ahead and try it out. The price range is about $39 to $49. So watch to the end and see how I finish up this shampoo. See ya.